Good morning, everybody. Hope you all have a great Memorial weekend. It's a lot in store today. It's currently 8:08. Today I'm gonna start off hitting the gym, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. And now we're here, just like that. I'm just gonna do like a small little workout. You see that, like right over there? We're gonna be over there, and 1, 2, 3. And now we're here, just like that. And now we're gonna go right back to it. And I'm gonna send you right back over there, just like this. And now we're back, just like that. And we're going right back into the car. What the hell are you doing in there? Come on, we got work to do. Let's go work out. So yeah, just like a little small little workout, nothing too bad. Now you guys get to meet the dog. Here's Bella.
A few moments later.
Aww. The puppy is asleep, and we snuck out of the house, and now we're on our way to Oakland. What's his name?
Pepe.
Pepe?
Yep.
Oh my God! Hey, Pepe.
Feels heavy.
That's what she said.
If I hide the window good, it looks like you're in nature.
I know, right?
She got some long ass nails though.
I know, I felt it.
And when I carry her like this, she be scratching my hand. I put some hand sanitizer on, man. Yeah, we burning. Come on. Come on. Oh, what's up, Bernard?
I see you got that kid. I see you got the kid. I've been good all myself.
Some paparazzi recording.
How you doing, brody?
Yeah.
Hey, grab something to eat. Polly showed him.
How you doing? Yeah, how you doing?
Oh yeah. Oh, those are looking good.
How you doing? We better go check out the dance floor right now. They going stupid in there.
Great points. It's not a shot. This is 2 shots right here.
That's what PC, he don't want it.
This is what happened when you party with Cambodian people.
There you go.
I don't drink, you know, but this is just soda. Wait, get that Coke ready, Jess. Jess, get that Coke ready.
So yeah, that's my Cambodian family over there, you know, that's how they get down. So yeah, I'm about to end the video with a little time lapse. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. We're on our way to Oakland. See you guys in a bit. Oh wait, I messed up again. We're on our way to Oakland. We'll see you guys in a second.
That was lame. Do it again.
What the hell are you doing in the car? Come on, we gotta... And now we're back just again. Now let's get this workout on. And now we're back just like that. And now we're just